This is one of the most serene places that I've ever been to.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at Cradle Trails. Enjoy this experience with me. Come along.
Cradle Moon Lakeside Lodge. Make sure not to start taking your videos at the entrance because the security guards will make you delete it. Yeah, I have absolutely no idea what that's about, but to be on the safe side, just don't. The lodge is situated at 59 Beersnoede Drive in Muldersdrift, Johannesburg. It's a bit of a drive from this entrance to where the trail starts, so don't stress. They have a huge parking space, so make sure you know where your car is because it can get a little crazy. There are change rooms right by the parking lot, and because this is not a self-catering venue, there is a snack bar / tuck shop that you can stock up by before you head into the wild. Kinda has that Tababusu cultural village vibe, right? Now the trail. It allows for cycling, hiking, and running. Well, you know I'm a hiker. Here at the waterfall is where the trail separates into different directions. So at this point, you should know which arrows you're following. Well, I followed the green. At this point, I also suggest you start taking pictures, enjoying and embracing the space before you go hiking, because when you're done, it will be the furthest thing from your mind and there will be a lot of people. Absolutely beautiful. So this is the only way to get up to the waterfall. Make sure you're strong enough to step up and go in. And like I said, embrace the space and take lots and lots of pictures. There's quite a variety of activities to be done here, hey? Like paddling, canoeing, rowing, boat cruising, swimming, fly fishing, guided game drives, and more. Now let the hike begin. The sign clearly says cyclists only, but we all want to walk on water. Come on, who doesn't want to feel like they're Jesus?
God, oh my God. Somebody needs to hold my hand.
My videographer is scared.
Oh my word, she was so terrified. If you also decide to cross over here, please be careful. This thing is very wobbly and unsteady.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
When you've lived in Lesotho like I have, you know these don't qualify as the woods or the scary woods, at least. And my friends thought this was scary. They thought these were the woods and something horrible might happen to them. So they decided to play a little game of peekaboo. We were still on the right track at this point. As you can see, our green arrows leading the way.
So we've been following the green arrows and we can't find our green arrow at this point. We really don't know what to do, but we'll just follow our instincts.
Oh, we saw springboks, by the way. And then, turns out, our instincts were correct. We found our way. One of the most interesting things about the Cradle Moon hiking trail is how quickly the route can change. 1 minute you could be descending and the next minute you could be going uphill. What did I tell you? As you can see, some of the points are really bushy, so I'd advise you to bring something to cover your hair. There is so much to see along the way, so much to explore. So let yourself be, let yourself explore, let yourself see. I think it's safe to say this trail is full of bridges. on the right track. Finally, the end of the route. There's a hand wash station right outside the restrooms at the end of the trail. So make sure to wash your hands because they also happen to be next to the restaurant. The restaurant is at the beach area overlooking the lake. Such a refreshing environment to be in. I hope this video helps you prepare for your time here, and I hope you have as therapeutic an experience as I did.